Because today we're going to take a look at a very unique cable solution from Aohi. This is an expandable, super powerful, high fast data transfer and charging cable set. Let's check it out. Now let's check out some of the features that you have here, and we'll go through the unboxing because the review is also part of the unboxing. Because let's face it, cables just do one thing, or actually two things. They plug into things, they charge things, and they move data. Maybe that's three things. Yeah, three. So take a look at what we have here. So we have a interesting cable set right here that basically is going to give us the ability to support, look at this, 240 watts, high-speed data transfer. Supports 4 gigabits, 8K, USB 4, and the package contains a series of cables, and they're very modular in nature. When I first got this package, I said, you know what, I have never seen a product like this, and we're going to put it this way, packed this way before. So I'm going to open it up, and what you'll find is at the very top is a description of all the cables, right, that you have. So you can see if I can keep this on camera. You can see this right here. So you have all of the cables themselves and how they all function. And they describe them almost like, you can see it's almost like a rocket ship because they're powerful, they're fast, and they're also modular in nature. So as we go over here, let's look at the cables. And you tell me, have you ever seen cables like this before? You don't see them, right? So first of all, you have this coiled cable, which looks like it's super long, goes up to 6 feet. So look at this cable right here, and look at how you can continue to extend. And yeah, this is going to go pretty long. And it's expandable, right? So what you have right here is your USB-C connector. And this side right here, you can connect to multiple things. So here's another cable option, right? So I can plug this into this. That's one option. Or I could use this as a small cable, and they're rubberized, they're thick, they're flexible. They don't feel like the type of cable that's going to kink on you and then stop working, because, you know, as you give them a lot of kink, they do stop working. Here you have this little travel pouch, which allows you to, again, it's like a little hungry hippo. You just open it up, and then you just throw things in there, just like this, and it goes chomp, 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 all the way in. And you basically put all your cables in there, and we'll put that over to the side. You get the bit. You get the bit there. Here's the other piece of that cable. Oh boy, this is a long one too. There you go. Check this out. And this is long. So imagine that cable, check this out, connected with that cable. This is what we're talking about. Super long. So this way, love the extreme focus. Yep. So this connects to that bottom portion. And again, giving you extreme data transfer, and then again, extreme length. I haven't seen anything this long before when it comes to USB cables. Look at that. So, all right, this is pretty cool. I'm trying to think about, like, what would I use this on? As a tech enthusiast, I am enthused for sure, but I'm trying to think about, like, where would I use this? What kind of device would I connect this to? This is for someone who's an extreme couch potato too, because imagine, look at this cable. This is what you have to extend power. All right, let's go in here and see what we have in this box, because I am discovering this as you guys are. Let's see what we have here. Here's another cable. And we'll open this up. I think I'm going to gift this to myself because I'm getting really geeked out at all the possibilities. Let's see if we can open this. Okay, we'll push this through, and yet again, here's another cable. This is a shorter cable. All right, so you have two cables. Let's see, are they the same length? Not, well, yeah, they are. So you have two cables. Both of them are USB-C, right? And is there anything unique about this one? This is a USB 4 cable. Okay. And then what you have is these cables over here that are all connecting, and just give you different lengths. This is an easy review. So if you like cables, you want a high-speed data cable, you like yellow, you like the accordion type, these are the cables for you. Now, one of the things I want to test is to see if these cables will support that fast charging tech that Samsung phones have. And as I'm looking at the box, you can, no joke, get up to 8 feet of cabling with this. And I think that that's pretty crazy with all of these different ways that you can connect. Put this one here. All right, so we're connected now. And now if I connect it to this, we're going to look for super fast wireless charge or super fast charging. Yes, it does. So you have the super fast charging being supported from this like extremely long cable. No joke. Right? And it keeps on going. And it keeps on going and going. So you're talking about over 8 feet. So if you're looking for, again, something for that special someone that has it all, this may be it. See you in the next video.